Hey there everyone, my name is Blake Stafford. I am a senior here at Flagler College, and I just wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about the LiveSafe app. Now the LiveSafe app is Flagler College's way to keep you updated on things that are happening around campus and a way to kind of help you feel more safe on campus. Now this is a really awesome user-friendly app. There are 4 options on here, as you can see. And I just want to briefly walk you through each one and show you how they work. Now these are the 4 options. You can report tips, you can have emergency options. This is the map around campus, so you can see what's going on around campus. And this is your safety guide. And this is going to be your best friend when you're walking to and from buildings on campus. So let's go to report a tip. So you can report a tip in different ways. You can report different tips, such as any sketchy activity that you feel like is going on, different things like that. Now for your emergency options, as you can see, you can call 911, you can call the Flagler security, or you can message the Flagler security, which is really nice because you can kind of do an anonymous report there as well. Now right here where it says safety map, it'll show you around campus and it'll show you what's close by. Now Go Safe is actually one of my favorite things to do. This safety walk is a super awesome option. You could actually have your friends watch you walk to and from, which is when you would use this one, and your friend will click on this one, watch a friend walk, and they can actually watch you walk to and from Ponce and FEC, which is super nice, so that you can always kind of have like a virtual buddy system going on here. But of course, it is always important to take extra safety precaution. So that's what the LiveSafe app does. I highly recommend downloading it. It is a free app in the App Store. Please go ahead and download that app. If you're ever feeling unsafe, go ahead and report something. If you see any sketchy activity, report that as well, and always use that virtual buddy system. You can always let your friends know if you're going out on a date, or if you're going out on a jog or something. They can watch you and make sure that you are safe. Just keeping tabs, making sure that everything is all good in the neighborhood. I hope you guys have a great day, a great safe day, and stay safe, Saints.